this is the robot program. So this is the glue gun, and for every 3 diagram it has to go to the home position, and then it has to refill the glue. So for example, if I am giving 5, so it will refill at 3, and after if I give 2, it should refill at 1. So this is how our program will run, and let us check.
This is a recursive function. So if I input 5 first, then 2, so total figures the robot will draw will be 7, and so on as I input more, and it will refill for every 3 figures. So this is the refill button.
After 5, I am giving 2.
For this input it has to draw 2, but it has to refill after drawing the first one, as it completed 3 figures already.